Transportation is the transfer of people or goods from one place to another using a vehicle driven by a human or machine. In everyday life, we always travel to school, work, and other that make us need transportation, especially land transportation. There are many types of land transportation available, both private transportation and mass transportation. In big cities, there are often congestion on the road, so that many efforts are made by the government to reduce congestion that occurs, one of which is by using mass transportation. Are one of the mass transportation that is favored by teenagers and adults. Trains are a means of transportation in the form vehicle with mobility, either walking alone or coupled with other vehicles, which will or are moving on the tracks. A railway is a means of mass transportation that generally consists of a locomotive and a series of trains or carriage. The series of trains or carriage are relatively wide in size so that they are able to carry passengers and goods on a large scale. Due to its nature and effective mass transportation, some countries are trying to make maximum use it as the main means of transportation for land transportation both within the city, between cities, and between countries. There are so many advantages if we use rail transportation. Namely, the transportation power is many where in one train series there are 7 to 9 passenger trains, relatively faster to arrive. The average train speed is 19 kph. Even for Argo Anggrek, it can be more where the travel time of Jakarta-Surabaya is enough with 9 hours of travel. In addition, trains more convenient. You can get loose space when taking the train. Want to go to the toilet can, work in the seat can walk in the carriage. The beautiful scenery during the trip present a natural scenery that pleasant to enjoy. Train are also suitable for traveling with family, child-friendly, does not harm. If you use the train, we can go directly to the city center. Large station in a city must go directly to the center of the city, such as Yogyakarta, Bandung, Surabaya, Jakarta, Semarang. Ticket prices and facilities overall also vary so that we can choose according to what we need.